Hi, my little library friends. Welcome to our Tumblebook story time. Today's story is called Down to the Sea with Mr. Magee by Chris Van Dusen. It's a story about Mr. Magee and his dog and the adventures that they have when they take their boat out on the ocean. The next screen will have instructions for the adult who is with you, and then after you have read the story, you come back to me and we'll make an aquarium craft. Enjoy the story. Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story? I'm glad. Mr. Magee gets into all kinds of trouble. We're going to do another story of his later on. All right, so we're going to make an aquarium. Do you know what that is? An aquarium is a place where animals that live in the ocean and the sea, people have them. It's like a zoo, but for animals that live in the water. And so you can go to these places and you can see all the animals that live in the ocean, like whales or sharks or fish, dolphins, that kind of thing. So we're going to make a little aquarium today, and I'll show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to get a blue plate like this, and you're going to take your aquarium glass and you're going to put it right in the middle of the plate, and you're going to draw around it so you know where not to put the glue. Okay. Let's see. I think I see my line. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to brush glue down at the bottom here. That's going to be sand under there. You're going to brush some glue on there, and then we're going to sprinkle the sand on, and that's going to be the bottom of your ocean. So you got to make sure you don't go outside that line that you drew, okay? And then with more glue, I'm going to give you some colored pebbles that you can put down. I'm going to give you some little foam sea creatures that you can put down. I'm going to give you some real seashells that you can glue into your aquarium. And on the circle part of your aquarium, you're going to brush some glue in here. And then you're going to sprinkle some sand that I give you and let it all dry. And don't worry if you can see the white glue. The white glue will dry clear. Excuse me. And you can even put one of your sea creatures right on the glass, and it gives it what's called a 3D effect. Then you're going to glue your aquarium glass down, and there, it kind of is like a 3D effect, and there's your aquarium. So I'm going to have take and make kits made up. So if you would like one, you will get all the stuff that you see here. Let's straighten that out. There we go. And you can make your own aquarium at home. So tell mommy and daddy, grandma, grandpa, whoever, you tell them to call me and I'll put a kit together for you. Hope you enjoyed the Tumblebook story time. See you next time. Bye.